Today we will look into the toolkit called serverless, which helps in deploying the our serverless architectures. In this case, the AWS Lambda. So till now we were using the AWS console to write a function and deploy all our Lambda stuff. Now we can use the serverless toolkit, which is very easy. So first we have to run this command npm install serverless globally. So I've installed it. So just just use it, and let's go to the quick start docs. So this has been done. So just run it, and we have and to deploy it to our AWS, we have to create the credentials, uh, just to tell serverless to where to deploy our code. So this is the command, guys. You have to create the app key and the secret key. So by running this command, you can it helps to deploy the code. I've already done this. Let's go through the creating the template. Yeah, this command will helps you to create the template. So what it does is create the template for the AWS Node.js and the folder called my service. So just copy this thing, paste it here. So just into my service, you can see here the two files, serverless YML and handle.js. Open those things. Yeah, so it has been opened. So this is a service name. You can give anything you want. This is the default file what we get. So I'll just keep whatever I want and remove the other stuff. We need staging. So just be careful with the indentation. So I'll make staging and region as south one. So this is the region which I use, and we're not using all this stuff right now. So just remove stuff which I don't want. Yeah, so just remove all this stuff, and we will copy from the documentation itself. So this is how it looks. Um, Provider is AWS, and we are using Node.js 6.10, and stage is staging, and region is US South one. I think it should be AP South one. And we have the functions called hello, which is the handler in the handler.js file, hello function. So this is the file name actually. If you give index.js, I'll just open this folder again. Just see here. Yeah. So this is the file handler.js, and it's using handler.js hello function. So hello function is here. So what this basically doing is just creating an object and returning the response. You can see all the input event here. I'll do one thing is I'll just give the event, so no need to confuse here. Okay. So this is about the basic thing. Now we will create the get and post method here itself, instead of going to the AWS console. Just go through here. I'll go event, and we can maybe see, check out for more information. I think it should be API gateway. Yeah, here it is. I'll just come down. It should be somewhere here. Yeah, here it is. So this is what we need. Same thing, function create and handler and events for HTTP. I will just explain you this once I copy this, and I'll just paste it here. This is some function name. I will just give hello get, and this is in the handler file js. Handler dot function name is hello. The method is get, and I'll just give some method. Integration is lambda, and I will remove the template text HTML. We don't need this right now. I need application JSON, and I will just give property name as data, and We have done the same thing in, you can see your previous video in API gateway. We have done the same thing, but this one time work. So just input dot forget its parents of, it should be in double quotes. Sorry, single quotes with twice. So just give parameter name. This should work, and I'll just copy the same thing till the hello get. These are just function names. I'm creating another function. So I think I copied a bit wrong. We should be very careful with the indentations. So using same thing. Okay. Okay. I'm using the same function, but this time it will be post, and it should be JSON of data. So this is about the basic function which we have to create. Now we will deploy this. Command is serverless deploy. Will take some time. Okay, we got some error here. It's because of same function name. I will just make it as hello post. See if it will work. So it will take some time to deploy. And today my internet is a bit slow. Yeah. So you can see I have an endpoint for get and post, and these are the functions. For the hello get, I have this function name, and for post, I have this function name. I'll just show you this. Q data is equal to 3. And yeah, you can see the output as 1 to 3. So this is how get works, and I will show you the post. Just copy this post and request type is post. And you have the same payload. The data of 1 to 3. So this is working. This is a bit easy when you work out everything on the console. So and one more thing is I'll just copy this function name, and if you go to the AWS console, so we have these two functions, hello get and hello post. Click on this, same thing. They just upload the file here. You can do it manually also from here. So and if you go to monitoring, there is something called CloudWatch where you can log the information and you can watch all the logs. So if you see, so this is how it works. I will just log something and I will show you. I'll just edit here itself. Log save and test. Now you can see that there will be log. It will take some time to get uploaded. Yeah, you can just see we had a log called some log. So this is about the serverless toolkit and how we can deploy stuff here. So thank you.